What's going on, YouTube and car campers? I'm currently here at Baraboo, Wisconsin, Devil's Lake State Park, and we're going to be camping in the sub-zero temperatures tonight in the car. Man, if you can tell by driving, I already got a nice interior frost buildup. See that? We're at 6. Should have been in bed a half hour ago, but I was looking for my RotoTrax. It's literally under the snow. Not what I want to be doing when it's 0 degrees outside. Oh well, at least I wasn't stuck camping at the Walmart today. I got several hygrometers to place inside and outside the car to measure the high and low temperature and as well as humidity, and the third one I'm just going to place in the sleeping bag. Right now I'm just going to scoot the seats forward and I'm going to take you in back and show you what's going on back there. Seats out of the way, take my window inserts, place them in the back for right now, and unfold my tri-fold mattress. From there, come inside, take off your shoes, they're muddy or wet, place them behind the seat. Backpack. Let's take our excess clothes, put them in the backpack. All right. So we take my backpack, I fold this up and put it behind my seat. If you got your significant other, they could do the same, or you could put more crap on the other side. Out of the way, grab your pillow. Boom, that's almost to the front seat, all the way back. Now for the goodies I have today, a 12-volt heated blanket I will be plugging in to my solar. Solar up in the car window. Spare compartment area where I got all my solar plugs. Alright, my main problem with this 12-volt blanket is that there's not a controller on it for low, medium, and high. Most of those that have low, medium, and high have a built-in timer. I have this extendable socket that I'm going to place in the spare tire cavity where my solar battery bank is and run the cable outside along the doorway. I'm going to plug the 12-volt blanket in to the extender cable. This plug is very loose. It doesn't like to stay in, and I want to be able to see when the red light goes out. See what I mean? Try to put that somewhere where I could visually see it. Through my previous experience of sleeping in the Honda Fit, I found out that this is a major draft area. Definitely feel the cold air there. And when I lift up that section, you can definitely feel the draft come through. So I'm gonna take my winter jacket and stuff it at the trunk bed for now. It's gonna reach sub-zero temperatures tonight. Baraboo, Wisconsin. I think -3. -2. Just cranked my car up to 70 degrees. Shut the car off. I'm on a tri-fold mattress. Got the seat leaned all the way forward. Got my pillow on the back. My backpack is behind the tri-fold. The seat is folded down. There is no platform. And that is just my beach towel folded over the front of the seats and clipped up through the window visors. These are the nice inserts I made in my previous video. Solar meter. Got a 15-degree sleeping bag that I'm currently in. A nice base layer of wool. And this nice gizmo right here is connected to my solar battery underneath. That is connected to my 12-volt blanket that is in my sleeping bag. As a backup, I got an extra thick Rothco wool military sweater and a USB hand warmer, but I'm hoping I should be good just with the 12-volt blanket and the sleeping bag. We'll find out. I'm 6'5", and this is me. Where is it? Fully stretched out. Ha! One leak of sun. I just spent the night in my car last night and the weather was sub-zero. It's currently 21 degrees in my car. It dropped down to about 19. Using a 15-degree sleeping bag, a wool base layer, and a 12-volt heated blanket. Got my homemade window inserts. I did end up putting on my wool sweatshirt last night. It got cold around my neck and my head area. I think if I had a pullover hat that went around my neck, I would have been fine. I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit and get ready for the day. Let me get a flashlight going. Look at that mad frost. We got some on the line, the door sill. Woo! Let's get ready. We're still happy. temperature was last night. -5, 0 degrees right now. Perfect time to get up. Ugh. So rather than camping out under these parking lot lights last night, I decided to go to the back of the lot and park. But I did not realize that this is 4 to 6 inches deep of snow. And this is where I got stuck last night. I was just gonna try to park back there. Looks flat. Whoa! Quest for rock.